Inside VP's Center of Excellence in AI Drone Technology Lab, innovation takes flight. Step inside Vidya Prudishtan's AI Drone Lab, where innovation literally takes flight. Ready to soar with us? Imagine a playground stacked with STEM Wi-Fi drones, micro and nano FPV flyers, and the most advanced simulators to boost your drone skills. Dive deep into drone battery mastery, sensor training, thrust testing, and explore payload-ready quadcopters and hexacopters. Your tech playground awaits. Feel the buzz of a 148-square-meter innovation zone where you build, calibrate, and launch your own drone creations. This is hands-on learning at its best. Ever dreamt of crafting autonomous drones? Here, you code AI brains and solve real-world challenges that push your skills sky high. This isn't just learning, it's gearing up for certifications, startups, and a future where you pilot the skies and business world alike. What's your call? Become a certified drone pilot, customize machines, or deliver aerial solutions for agriculture, GIS, mining. The sky's the limit. Looking for thrills? Jump into adrenaline-pumping drone racing or dive into data processing, mixing speed with smart tech wizardry. Master every stage, from aerodynamics and electronics to payload design and strict DGCA safety standards. Build it right, fly it safe. Learn powerful software like ArduPilot and Python to control, calibrate, and test drones in real time, because coding isn't just for computers anymore. Out in the fields, drones become your eyes. Monitor crops, check irrigation, and fight pests. Farming just got way smarter. In mining, drones act as vigilant guardians, flying over sites, mapping geology, and boosting safety in tricky terrains. Meet the future. AI-powered drone fleets flying smart missions, dodging obstacles, and thinking on the fly. Sky-high automation is here. Power your projects with smart GIS training, CGIs, satellite data, spatial modeling, all the tools to map the world at your fingertips. When disaster strikes, drones become heroes, mapping damage, aiding rescue teams, and helping rebuild with unmatched precision. Train with realistic emergency drills from pre-disaster GIS prep to post-crisis flying and data analysis. Be the difference when it counts. Collaboration drives us. We team up with IITs, NITs, and top drone tech companies to push innovation beyond limits. This synergy plugs you straight into real-world projects and cutting-edge aerial tech shaping tomorrow's drones. At VP's AI Center of Excellence Drone Lab, it's not just flying drones, it's about elevating your mind and blasting off your career. Ready to join the flight crew of tomorrow? Discover smart, autonomous drone tech and start shaping your future today.